Are you a homeowner or potential buyer in Greater Moncton looking at possibly buying or selling? If so, you may be wondering what the market looks like. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, staying up to date on the current market conditions is important in helping you make the most informed decisions possible. In this video, I'm going to be sharing an update on the latest real estate market trends from May of 2023. So let's take a closer look at what the market trends are for residential homes in the Greater Moncton area. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to take advantage of some opportunities whether you're thinking about buying or selling. Let's take a look at the inventory supply and what it means. For May of 2023, there were 2.4 months of housing supply in Greater Moncton. Months of supply tells you how many months it would take for all homes currently on the market to sell based on the current sales volume. With less than 4 months of inventory, this will drive prices up, working in favor of the seller, known as a seller's market. Let's look at how May's numbers compared to last month's. The inventory supply for residential homes was 3.4 months in April. So for May, our supply was down 1%, which isn't surprising to me as we are in the spring market, which brings lots of buyers out. And even though our listings have picked up some, there's still not enough to maintain the number of buyers looking to purchase. As we come to the end of the spring market and into the summer market in Greater Moncton, it appears that the market will remain hot based on the low inventory. Now let's look at the average sales price for residential homes in Greater Moncton. It is just above $346,600. But keep in mind this is the average across all of Greater Moncton. The average price is down 2.2% versus this time last year, but it is up 5.5% versus last month. So while it shows home pricing is on the rise from the previous month, in my opinion, it could just be that there was a low supply of homes available in the spring market. And interest rates for this time frame did not rise with the latest Bank of Canada update, which brought more buyers. We will have to continue to monitor the supply and demand of the market in the upcoming months and watch what the Bank of Canada does with their next interest rate release. Now let's take a look at the sales to list price ratio, which shows the percentage that a home sold for in relationship to the list price. In May, the sales to list price ratio is 99.1%, and this simply means that properties were selling very close to list price. This is down so slightly from last month by 0.3%, but down 6.2% versus this time last year. Now, when looking at stats, you have to keep in mind this also has a lot to do with the strategy of the seller and the real estate agent on the marketing of the home. A year ago, everyone was underpricing their homes, or should we say trying to figure out the correct market value of their home as the market was changing also quickly. Today, most homes are priced fairly well and very close to market value. Even so, we are still seeing multiple offers in the price range of $200,000 to $475,000 if the property is priced accordingly. While higher end homes are selling, they are not seeing as many multiple offers as last year and are seeing more conditions in the offer. Now you might be wondering how long it is taking for properties to sell. On average in May, it was taking 24 days for properties to sell. That is trending down from last month slightly, where it was only taking 27 days on average, but it is up from last year where it was taking 17 days. These stats are indicating that the market is still moving in a rapid pace, leaving little time for buyers to browse homes. However, for sellers, this is good news as a well-priced property is likely to sell quickly. Let's break down what all this information means for both buyers and sellers in the real estate market. Although we are coming to the end of the spring market, which usually means both buyers and sellers are actively trying to get things going to allow themselves to enjoy the summer months. All signs are pointing towards the market remaining busy with buyers as new listings are not able to keep up with the demand. This is an advantage for sellers, but it also means that buyers need to act quickly and have all their finances and documents in order if they want to become a homeowner in this market. So whether you are buying or selling, market trends can change quickly, and that this market update is based on the overall market and not one particular area or type of home. If you require an accurate market analysis for your home, or you're thinking of buying and need guidance on purchasing in this market, feel free to request a no obligation call with me to have a no pressure conversation about your options. I will always give you the straight goods so that you're informed, allowing you to make the best decision for you. There are several ways you can contact me, but the easiest to click the link in the video to set it up. I also have listed all my contact information in the show notes below. I'm always here to listen and help. Please stay around and look at some of my other videos and keep coming back, as I will be adding more in the upcoming months. And I'll be back next month with an updated market report for you.